call this an introduction. You're a man about town. You might, who knows, your group might take over a building with a decrepit laundromat on its last legs with a month-to-month tenant across town or across the state. And maybe we'll do business in that location, if not this one.
Yeah, well, I know it's funny because the landlord does have another building with an old laundromat. They vacated. They got all this old equipment in there. I don't know. I mean, you probably know what to do with it. This is Jason.
Jason, Danny D'Angelo, looking to rent some space from you. Interested in becoming a tenant.
Okay, great. Yeah, sorry, I had your number. I must have accidentally blocked it. I know one of your colleagues reached out.
My people told me, don't worry about it. No big deal. Everybody's trying to fucking sell something these days, so people are afraid to
we never block our tenants or future tenants. So
we share the same ancestors as far back as Adam and Eve. I desire no closer relationship to you than that.
Yeah, so did we talk, is this for the UPS store?
No, the coin laundromat space.
Oh, okay. And this is for your business, or are you a broker? Sorry, could you just remind me?
Not at all. It's my partner and I, and I am not a broker. I'm not an agent. I own and operate 36 coin laundromats in 3 states. So we are always looking for laundries that have infrastructure and sort of poor procedures, old equipment. They need to be retooled and redone. And I don't deal with the operator. I don't want to buy this store, not at any price. I want to deal with a lease, and I want to deal with purchasing equipment at the right price, running another successful store. That should make sense. Now, if your tenant is golden and they pay on time and they're lovely, God bless America. We don't have much to talk about. But that changes. You know, they either decide to retool eventually or they don't. And if they don't, we'll probably end up having a discussion about that lease. And then I have a leg up because I'm not building the store. I'm not spending $300 or $400 on gas, water, and electric. I hope that makes sense. And this isn't a horrible laundromat, Jason. It's it's not perfect, but it's far from horrible. I'm not looking for your rent rolls. I don't want to know what your situation is. It could be as simple as, hey, we can talk in 6 months, and we will. Or maybe it's tomorrow. I don't really know.
Yeah. Yeah, I know we have that tenant in there. Looks like they got 10 years left on the lease. So, but I don't know anything about them. I didn't put them in there. So I'll talk with the landlord and see if they're current.
Call this an introduction. You're a man about town. You might, who knows, your group might take over a building with a decrepit laundromat on its last legs with a month-to-month tenant across town or across the state. Save my cell phone number. I'll send you an email. And maybe we'll do business in that location, if not this one. Said,
well, I know it's funny because. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
I was just going to say, that said, what's your email?
I'll text it to you here.
Good.
And then the landlord does have another building with an old laundromat. They vacated. It's about 1,200 square foot deal space. They got all this old equipment in there. I don't know. I mean, you probably know what to do with it better than we do, but there's a lot of infrastructure.
It's junk. It's the infrastructure that we're after. The equipment gets wrung out and needs to be thrown away. 1,200 square feet might be the reason that they could not survive. You can't build a McDonald's in a walk-in closet, and you can't build a laundromat in less than 1,500 square feet. But we'll go have a look. Maybe I'll have my partner Eric reach out and gain entrance. What do you know that address offhand, or the cross streets?
Yeah.
Thanks.
It's 1,350 square feet actually. Yeah.
Okay.
So
there are some things a man can't ride around. Then again, maybe he can.
I have that. I have that address. I think I even have a few pictures of that space. So let me
text me your email. Once I
Yep,
get
I'll text you
your
my email now.
I'll email you and you send me back the exact address.
Okay, that sounds good.
Good. Thanks, buddy. We'll go have a look.
All right, thank you.
Later.
Thanks a lot. Okay.
Well, like I said, man should spread happiness as he walks through life. I think we've been spreading a little thick.
Well, there's the golden moment when they say, but we do have another failed laundromat that you can go look at. Lovely.
Yeah.
As soon as he texts me, I will jump in here and, oh, he already did. Lovely. All right. Email away. Who knows? Don't get too excited, but if you go there,
sure.
you don't reach out to him. Just go there and see what you can see and gather some photos.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.